YouTube? It's your girl Sunshine back at it again with another YouTube video. So in today's video, y'all, it's gonna be a day in the life. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the button so you'll be notified every time I post a YouTube video. So without further ado, we're just gonna hop right into the video. I'm outside of Crumbl Cookie right now. Yeah, so yeah, just get into it. Get into it. Show them up, like show them down, yeah. That's how it look, and then y'all can see it right there. Okay, you want to break it, and then break me half off, like break it over this, break it over this. Oh look!
Oh, you ain't getting no.
It's okay. I can scoop some. So this is right here, y'all. Let me scoop a little bit of this. Okay, this is the dulce de leche, right here.
Oh.
I like that.
It just tastes like cinnamon.
I like it. I like it.
Everywhere.
Okay, move your.
That tastes like.
This is the pink reservoir one. I think it's gonna be good.
I don't like the icing. But it's good.
I'm turning this down.
It's alright. 4.
I can't really taste it.
And this one hot. Oh, this one, I think I'm gonna love this.
I think it's gonna cook our stuff fresh.
This one hot.
Let me see. Morning. Oh, you just put them on yourself. Oh, did I get a picture, a video? Oh, Lord Jesus. I don't even think I got a picture.
You ready?
Oh, Lord Jesus. You know which one's yours?
Yeah.
This one mine.
And that one mine. That one mine. That's yours.
Yeah.
And that's yours. That's mine.
Okay, because I'm
gave you the bigger ones because I don't know if I'm going to like it.
They're all good.
I don't like the pink sugar.
When I'm done, I'm going to take a picture of just us.
This is the, what was this? Like a cobbler. It
yeah,
was like
this is a cobbler one.
Cobbler.
Cobbler.
Ah! It ain't hit the seat.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
That one good. No.
I don't like the jelly on it, but I'ma still eat it. I'll probably get that to Charisma. Okay. I think I got good pictures. This should be good. Like, this is authentic.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Let me see mine. That's it, YouTube.
Yeah, that's it for this one. This is how we ate it, y'all. And then we'll just finish it like when we go home or something. Like when I'm done, I'm gonna take a picture of just us.
This is the, what was this? Like a cobbler. It was like a
I'll see y'all. We're going to the pumpkin patch and I'll see y'all there. So, alright, YouTube. So we finally made it to the pumpkin patch and we just about to get out and go see what's popping at the pumpkin patch. And the time is currently 5:01. So yeah. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick view. Get into it. Okay, what's up, YouTube? So we walking back to the car because first of all, we come to a pumpkin patch. No pumpkins.
Yes.
No pumpkins.
We can't feed the animals.
We can't feed the animals. I didn't know you could feed the animals. And then they talking about $14 a person.
And then you can't got to wait till 7:30 to go to the Halloween.
Yeah, we gotta wait till 7:30 for the fun stuff. They milking us out here. Send help. Y'all, she's making me a salad because we only pay for one salad, so but she got like all you can eat. She got like all you can eat. You got me a fork? You got me a fork? Yeah. Y'all, but we in Chuck E. Cheese. I might want to play this. Oh, that ain't real money. So we out here in Chuck E. Cheese. Kizzy.
What?
We out here in Chuck E. Cheese, y'all, and I ordered food 20 minutes ago and it's not here. Oh, we got this pizza, salad that's mid, but no app sampler. Kizzy got this low vibration plate.
Low vibration.
See, I don't do what they do. I do what I do.
This low vibration.
She said, and see what my coach is telling me that you don't allow somebody else to finish playing. I'm cool. Y'all, I'm currently still here with Ocean. Sunshine loves the kids. We waiting on we're looking for the car.